Hey, beauties! Today, we're diving into the world of flawless skin with 20 Korean beauty tips that you can add to your skincare routine. Let's jump right in. 1. Sheet masks. Sheet masks are an essential part of K-beauty. Whether it's for hydration, brightening, or soothing, applying a sheet mask once or twice a week is a perfect way to give your skin a boost. 2. Rice water rinse. Korean women have been using rice water for centuries. Wash your face with fermented rice water to brighten and smoothen your skin. It's rich in vitamins and antioxidants. 3. V-line massage. K-beauty focuses on sculpting the face. Use a V-line massage technique to contour your jawline and reduce puffiness. You can even do this with your hands or use a gua sha tool. 4. Hydrating toner. They're easy to use, gently exfoliate, and help prep your skin for better absorption of other products. Ideal for an instant boost of hydration anytime. 5. Sunscreen reapplication. Reapplying sunscreen throughout the day is a must. Use a cushion compact with SPF for easy reapplication and skin protection, even over makeup. 6. Slugging. To lock in moisture, apply a layer of petroleum jelly as your last step before bed. This method is called slugging and works wonders for dry or damaged skin. 7. Double cleansing. Start with an oil-based cleanser to dissolve makeup and impurities, followed by a water-based cleanser to remove any residue and purify the skin. 8. Hydrogel eye patches. Use hydrogel under eye patches to depuff, hydrate, and smooth the delicate area around your eyes. They're perfect for reducing dark circles too. 9. Vitamin C serum. Brighten your complexion and fade dark spots with a daily vitamin C serum. It's a holy grail for even skin tone and glow. 10. Aloe vera gel. It helps soothe and hydrate the skin, making it ideal for calming irritation, redness, or sunburn. It's gentle enough for daily use and leaves the skin feeling refreshed and smooth. 11. Rose water mist. Spritz rose water on your face for hydration and a refreshing glow throughout the day. 12. Cucumber facial massage. It is a quick and refreshing way to hydrate and soothe your skin. Simply freeze cucumber slices or cucumber-infused water into ice cubes, then gently massage them over your face. 13. Camellia oil. This traditional Korean oil is used to hydrate and nourish dry or damaged hair, leaving it soft and shiny. 14. Scalp care. Koreans prioritize scalp health using scalp exfoliators and treatments to remove dead skin cells and promote hair growth. 15. Hand cream ritual. Constant hand cream application, especially ones with hydrating ingredients like shea butter, is essential to maintain soft and youthful-looking hands. 16. Foot mask. Peeling foot masks are popular to exfoliate dead skin and reveal soft, smooth feet. 17. Cuticle care. Regularly moisturizing the cuticles with oils like jojoba or almond oil keeps them soft and prevents hangnails. 18. Cold spoon for puffy eyes. Place chilled spoons on your eyes to reduce puffiness and soothe tired eyes. 19. Rice face mask. A rice face mask gently exfoliates, brightens, and smooths the skin. Rich in vitamins, it lightens dark spots and boosts glow. Mix rice flour with honey or milk, apply, and leave for 15 to 20 minutes for radiant skin. 20. Steam for exfoliation. Face steaming opens pores, removes impurities, boosts circulation, and enhances product absorption. It leaves skin clean, refreshed, and hydrated, making it a great prep step for skincare routines. And that's a wrap on 20 Korean beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay glowing.